Hey everybody, it's Bobby here filling in for Mom again. I got a great recipe for you from Mom's website that everybody's going to love. It's super simple and super tasty also. It's a chicken club pizza, and I've started with just a store-bought pizza crust. I got an 8-ounce cream cheese softened, some ranch dressing, some rotisserie chicken, bacon, shredded lettuce, tomato, and avocado for toppings. And let's get started. Okay, I've got my cream cheese softened already, so it's going to mix up super easy. And I'll add to it my ranch dressing. That's a good combination. For you pizza lovers out there, chicken club pizza sounds amazing to me. I love a chicken club sandwich, that's for sure. And this is practically the same thing, only on flatbread. Frat bread. All right. Here we go. Let's mix that up. So get ready for the noise, everybody. All right. I didn't make you watch me mix because that's not a lot of fun. It's like watching water boil. So we're going to spread our cream cheese ranch dressing mixture on top of our pizza crust. Mm-hmm. This is also as much fun as watching water boil.
Well, it's fun to watch you have to get all of it out of there.
Yeah,
that's your mom.
right. I know, right? Makes me want to use bad language. Trying to get it all. Because you don't want to waste any. I mean, my mom would, golly, she would just get all over you. If she saw you throw anything out, man, golly. What are you doing throwing out the top of that bell pepper? Can't waste any of that, boy. That is a thick, thick layer of deliciousness right there on that pizza. I think we're off to a good start. Does anybody think this looks good?
Mm-hmm.
I certainly do. Teresa's mouth is watering over there.
I wondered because it doesn't really have any cheese on it, but it's not going to need
Well, cream cheese is cheese.
Exactly. But you don't always think of a pizza with something sprinkled over the top.
Well, you know, I mean, you may as well go ahead and sprinkle more cheese on this because you're certainly not holding back with the calorie and fat content.
And that's where you can just add your own.
You can, yeah, with a pizza, you know, I mean, you can do anything you want with pizza. There are no rules. Just ask any kid. Woo, that's going to be good, I'll bet you. All right, now we will sprinkle our rotisserie chicken on the top and just try to make sure that there's a little bit of chicken all over the place. Obviously, you can buy rotisserie chickens pre-done in the grocery store, or you could do your own. I like to bake chickens. Excuse me, I'll get that out of your way. I like to do chickens at home in the oven or in the air fryer. But everything's so super convenient nowadays. You can get it all pre-made in the grocery store. And I don't mind that. When you got hungry mouths that are waiting, you want as much of that leg work done as you can possibly have.
Do the triplets like pizza?
My triplets, yeah, they do. Pizza is one of their favorite foods. They love it. But they can be really picky.
I heard they don't like anything green.
Well, we're trying to change that. When you're 4 years old, you know, green doesn't actually scream delicious. But my wife is Houdini, so she can hide spinach and things like that in smoothies or in, not even smoothies. It's easy to hide it in a smoothie, but my wife makes the most delectable pancakes. And inside of those pancakes is always some sort of a great, healthy spinach or even cauliflower, but it's overwhelmed with the flavor of banana, which is. But anyhow, she uses pancakes and waffles. We do waffles in our panini maker at home. And they love the waffles, but they do not know what's in the waffles. If they knew they were eating spinach, they'd probably say. But you know what's interesting, though, at the same time? I eat lots and lots of salads, and my girls in particular always come to Daddy and sit on his lap when he's got a big bowl of salad. And they say, Daddy, I want some salad. I want some salad. And they eat it up.
Do they really?
Yeah, they really do. They love it. They love tomatoes. You know, they love all the ingredients individually. So mixed together, it's just great. So they love cucumbers. They love tomatoes. Carrots, not so much yet. But that'll change. Because my taste certainly changed over my life. I remember when I was a kid, I didn't like tomatoes early on. I didn't like onions early on. But you grow into these things, you know. Your palate changes. This looks fantastic, and I think I've got the chicken pretty well. I think I got good coverage here. Not waste any. That's just a little bit of fat. And then, woo, the magic ingredient. Oh boy, look at that. Delicious bacon. Now, they do like bacon.
It's amazing. I don't know anybody that doesn't like
bacon.
I don't know how bacon can make anything taste pretty good.
Oh, so good. And my wife buys, my wife, who's funny, she's very funny because she'll come to me usually in the morning time and she'll kiss me and say, good morning, it's a new me. I'll be like, what is it today? I'm vegetarian. Okay.
What else has she been?
Well, she's been vegetarian, she's been vegan, she's been carnivore. She slips in and out of all of those things, just depending. But she buys really, really good top shelf bacon, and she does bacon in the air fryer, and everybody eats it but me. I don't know why I don't eat it. So 375 in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then when it comes out, we'll sprinkle on top some lettuce, some tomato, and I'll cut some fresh avocado for it too. This is going to be sensational. So I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Golly, look at that.
You know what would have been good on it too, Bobby?
What would have been good on it, Teresa? Tell me.
Caramelized onions.
Caramelized onions would be so good on that. It's never too late. And some sour cream would be good on that. And some more cheese spread on top, or sprinkled on top of it would be good. All kinds of things would be good on it. You can do what you want. There's no rules. It's up to you. All right. So, I don't have anybody here to share this pizza with, so I don't want to dress the whole thing. Yeah, I think I can.
Michael will be home tonight, so we can leave him some with all the toppings.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Too soon, I think, to try to get that off of the cookie sheet. So what I'll do is I'll just dress half of it right here and leave the other half naked. How about that? So a little iceberg lettuce. Chicken club pizza. I love a chicken club. A little lettuce. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Marking that pan to make sure that we don't grab it. It is hot. Tomato. Because Teresa and I will eat this half.
Exactly.
And then Michael can have the other half. And if we want to add some more tomatoes to that or lettuce to it, we can. All right, avocado. Love fresh avocado. Hard to get in Georgia. After you go to California and you have avocados in California, you realize what a good avocado is. Let's see what we got here. It's always a roll of the dice when you're in Georgia and you get an avocado.
You lived in California briefly,
I did for a little while, and I had some super good avocados. Let's see how it looks. Well, that one looks great. It looks really great. Okay, so that's how you remove the seed. But be careful. I got some doctor friends that tell me that is a very common injury. Avocado hand, they call it. And I thought, okay, that's a very creative. Avocado hand. Let me just grab a spoon. This will do that. So here's our beautiful avocado. I love avocado. I put it on gosh, or in so many different things. I like to just slice it up and have it with a little olive oil and salt. Or sometimes if I am hankering for a can of tuna or something like that, I'll eat an avocado with it with a little olive oil and salt. So we'll just slice it thin. Yeah, a little bit of coarse salt on that. A little olive oil, so good. Just starting to get mushy right here on this end. Look at that, that's beautiful. Ooh, avocado. Avocado for you, Teresa?
Oh, yes. I had avocado toast this morning.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Avocado and hard-boiled eggs.
Arugula.
Mm-hmm. Avocado and scrambled eggs. Mm-hmm. That's beautiful.
It's pretty.
It is, and I'm going to crowd it a little bit with 2 more pieces of avocado. So there you have it. Chicken Club Pizza. This is from my mom's website. Super easy and super delicious. So make it for your family tonight because they will love it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.